Oh, hey there. So in this question, we have a fraction, and that fraction has some terms and conditions. So let's check what those terms and conditions are. All right. So before we start off with the terms and conditions, we have to. The question asks us to find the fraction. So what is the fraction? So and options are suited accordingly. 3/8. All of these are fractions. So let's put down those fractions in a neat little line down here. 15, and then we have 5 by 24, and then 6 by 35. So these are my fractions over here. And what are those terms and conditions? If we ask, the denominator is less than the square of the numerator by 1. So what is 3 square? 3 square here is 9. 9 minus 1 should give me 8, which it does. 4 square is 16. 16 minus 1 should give me 15, which again it does. 5 square is 25. 25 minus 1 should be 24, which it is. And 6 square is 36. And 36 minus 1 should be 35. All of these fractions meet that condition, so there is no differentiating factor over there. Now if I increase the numerator and denominator by 2, I should get a fraction that's greater than 1 by 3, right? So let's do that. 3 by 8, I increase the numerator and denominator by 2, I get 5 by 10. Now 5 by 10 is not the simplest form, I can still reduce it, it will become half, right? Half is greater than 1 by 3, right? Let's compare half and 1 by 3. Greater the denominator, lesser the fraction. So 3 is greater than 2, so 1 by 2 is greater than 1 by 3. It's simple. The fraction exceeds 1 by 3. What about 4 by 15? The fraction we get on adding 2 to the numerator and the denominator is 6 by 17. And if it's greater than 1 by 3, then 6 into 3 should be greater than 1 into 17, right? 6 3s are 18, 1 times 17 is 17, and this is valid. 18 is greater than 17, so this is indeed true. So both 3 by 8 and 4 by 15 fit the bill of fit the second condition. What about 5 by 24? Increase the numerator and denominator by 2, we get 7 over 26. Now if this is greater than 1 by 3, then 7 times 3 should be greater than 26, which it isn't. No, it's not. So 5 by 24 is out of our question. I'll strike it out. 6 by 35, let's see the same drill. 8 over 37 is the fraction we obtain. If that's greater than 1 by 3, 8 times 3 should be greater than 37, which again it's not. This is 24, of course. So 6 over 37 again doesn't fit the bill. Alright, so we have eliminated two fractions from our list. We have to check the next condition for only two of the fractions. Now for the next condition, we need to subtract 3 from the numerator and the denominator. So 3 minus 3 is 0, 8 minus 3 is 5, 4 minus 3 is 1, 15 minus 3 is 12. So okay, I'll make it a little neater here. So here 0 over 5 is 0. The number is 0, and here it's 1 by 12. Now we obtain a positive fraction, which means the fraction should be greater than 0. 0 is not positive, so we need to remember that. So this doesn't fit the condition, and 1 by 2 is indeed less than 1 by 10, and we have our answer here, which is 4 by 15. So we started by checking the conditions for every fraction, eliminating them one by one, and arriving at the answer, right? There we go.